What is he doing? I don't really have a lot going on today. I need to work from home a little bit, and then after I have some laundry sitting right here staring at me in the face that I need to do. I also have to go to the gym today. Well, I don't have to, but I have to. You guys know what I mean. I really want to get in a workout. It's a new year and I want to be more consistent with working out. I feel like throughout the year it's that tug of war, you know, you guys know what I'm talking about. So this year I want to be more consistent, at least for a few months. Like I want to prove to myself, girl, you can do this. So my goal is to just run a mile straight, which I know for a lot of people that's so easy, but me getting back into like my fitness and everything, girl, it ain't that easy. I need to make some lemon water that I saw on TikTok. It's turmeric, lemon water, or turmeric water with lemon, ginger, and stevia. I don't have stevia, but I have everything else. So yeah, let's make that and get back to work. And then I'll see you guys later when I'm off. Hey guys, it's the next day and we're gonna go eat breakfast and then we're probably gonna go see a movie. The big theaters are Spider-Man, but we're not really big Marvel people, so I don't know how that's gonna go, but I think we're just gonna go see Spider-Man. Say hi, babe.
Hey.
And right now we're gonna go eat breakfast because I'm starving. Ignore my nails. They have like freshly squeezed orange juice. It's delicious. Look how bomb. What'd you get, honey?
I got a turkey club.
Turkey club?
With French fries.
We got a Belgian waffle. So yummy. So we are going to the dog park. If I'm sweaty, it's because I'm in this car waiting for Paco while he pumps gas. But we have Luna with us. Gonna go and take her. We've had COVID for a few weeks now, so she hasn't been out, but luckily now we are fine. So yeah, we're gonna take her to the dog park and have her play with all her little friends. Hopefully some of the dogs that she usually plays with are there, and I think that's all we're gonna do today. We wanted to go to the movies, but like I told you guys earlier, we're not really Marvel people, and I hope we don't get attacked for that. Like, we like the movies, but I don't know if we're gonna go see that. I'm wearing that puffer vest that I got from H&M. The package from downstairs, and I want to show you guys some of the things I got from H&M. This actually was really fast to get to me. Like 3 days, really, really fast. You guys, what I got? I only got 2 things. The first one, it's like giving 90s vibes, but it's this velour hooded crop jacket. So cute, so soft. Obviously it's velour, but it's also like soft on the inside too. Can you guys see? This is the hoodie. So cute and so soft. It's actually really stretchy. I didn't expect it to be stretchy because usually velour isn't, but look, it was, how much was this? It doesn't even say. Yeah, I'll have it linked down below in case you guys are interested, but yeah, so cute. I love this. And then the second and last thing that I got is just, yeah, just a basic black hoodie. This one is pretty thick and they're only 20 bucks, I want to say. So I also got this one in an XXL. That's the hoodie, super comfortable and soft on the inside. I could have definitely gotten an XL. I want to say even a large. That's all. That's my not so exciting haul. I thought I had so much more, but I don't. Groceries are here, and I'm gonna give you a quick little tour of everything that we got. So starting with the fruits and veggies, first thing that I got is some diced yellow onion because I freaking hate cutting onion. And then I got some avocados, some carrots, banana, cucumber, strawberry. This over here is some mandarin oranges, some diced pineapple, some diced peaches, some baby spinach, junk food type of items. I got some juice, so I got some orange juice, and then we love, I know it's pure sugar, you guys, but it's so good. This Minute Maid fruit punch, so good. And then I've been craving these hot Cheeto fries. You let me know if you prefer hot Cheeto fries or regular, because for me, hot Cheeto fries are superior. I got some sun chips. These are for Paco because he loves these French onion kind, so I got him those. And then I honestly thought I got a pack of 4 of these Yahoos because I was craving one, and they sent me a pack of like, how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I'm pretty sure they charged me. They're gonna end up charging me for that, but I only wanted 4, but whatever. Then I got this cheese Danish. If you guys have not had this cheese Danish from Amazon Fresh, oh my God, 10 out of 10 recommended. So good. I got some Atlantic salmon. I'm gonna do the Emily Mariko salmon. I've done it before, you guys, and it's so good. It's like one of our staples now. I got some ground beef because we want to make some tacos with this little taco kit I got over here. I haven't ordered this before, but Amazon Kitchen has like these dinner plates, so I got this. We'll see how this turns out, but it looks good. It's basically just some Parmesan chicken breasts. Then I got some shrimp because I want to make some fettuccine alfredo with shrimp, so I got some of those. And we needed some more Parmesan, so then I got that. Some eggs, some water, some vitamin water. We love that. These are actually for Luna. I put these in her dinner, and it's really good. It's supposed to be really good for them. I can't remember exactly what it does that's good for her, but I throw it in there. And then I got some Chobanis. They didn't have, I love the Activias and they didn't have any, so I got these little Chobanis. Then I just got some pasta sauce. This one is our favorite. This Classico is so good. If you guys haven't tried it, definitely recommend. And then I just got a Prego. We needed some cream cheese for some bagels that we have, so I got that. I'm gonna put this stuff away and then decide what I'm gonna make tonight. Oh, I think I might do the Parmesan chicken just because it's already prepared and it's the quickest thing, so I might do that. I just realized I didn't get garlic bread, which probably would have been so bomb with that, but you snooze, you lose, guys. So let's put all of this stuff away. looking like. We're all done. Everything is in here. And this is the overview. I love how it turned out. I think it's really, really organized. Every time I get groceries, honestly, it just depends on what I'm getting that specific grocery trip. So this fridge always pretty much looks the same, but things are always in a different spot. These are the sides. We have condiments. This is some sweets. These are some tamales that my mother-in-law brought us. And milks. I ended up just putting the chobanis in here. And then over here, we just have that Minute Maid fruit punch. I like to put it in here because it's just easier to get it out this way than in and out the big jug. So I did that. I put the orange juice in here. The water is over here. The wine is back there. This is the excessive amount of chocolate milk that I got. This is just some romaine lettuce. I ended up washing the strawberries and putting them in here. These are some lemons. Honestly, they don't go in here, but I just think it looks cute, and I don't have any more room in this drawer because my father-in-law has like a garden, and so he brought us so many lemons and oranges that I don't have anywhere to put them. So, and yes, you guys, avocados can go in the fridge once they're ripe. You don't want to put them in when they're not ripe, but if they're already ripe, they're good to go in the fridge and they last longer. So don't come for me for that. I also put my bread in here. I don't know how many people do this, but I like to put the breads in the fridge. I don't put my sandwich bread in there because we do use that a lot, like in the morning for toast and stuff. But bagels, it's not an everyday thing, and neither, well, tortillas I think have to go in the fridge. I don't know. Tortillas for me have always been in the fridge, but yeah, in case you guys are wondering. So I have that, and then in this drawer I just have cheeses and like dairy stuff over here, and over here is like deli meats. This is like meats for stuff that I'm going to cook during the week. So I have the ground beef. This is some beef steak that I already had, and then I have the shrimp. I don't know if it's okay to like put these together, but I figure because they're all super sealed it doesn't matter. But you guys let me know because I kind of feel weird doing that. I usually just put all like beef type of stuff in here. Then I have the eggs in here. This is usually, I mean, we obviously eat carrots and cucumber, but most of the carrots are for Luna because she just loves carrots and it's a really good snack. So I have carrots in here for her. I have the onion over there. I love these, you guys. These fruit cups. I literally feel like having one right now, but they're not cold yet, so I have to wait. But yeah, these are so good. And then I have the sodas over here. All these clear containers are from either like Home Goods or Marshall's, TJ Maxx. One of those three. They're all from there. That's where I get all of the containers. Okay guys, I decided that I am gonna do this Parmesan chicken breast. This is what it looks like. So we are gonna make this right now. I already preheated the oven to 425, and you're supposed to put it in there for like 25 minutes. So we're gonna do that now and we'll see how it turns out.